Can the government read your mind? You'd be crazy to think they can't. With tools such as electroencephalography and fMRI devices, your brainwaves can be tracked and mapped, with AI making your thoughts easier than ever to be collected and analyzed. And without any regulation to these technologies, governments and companies with this data can do with it what they please. Your body is constantly sending out brainwaves your entire life. Every word you read, every thought you think has a particular frequency attached to it. With advancements in EEG machines, this can be done remotely without ever touching you. Paired with current AI neural networks, GPS tracking, and eye tracking software, a simple cell phone is all that's needed to track your language and create a dictionary of every word you read and image you see. Once the dictionary is complete, your thoughts have been mapped, and any recurring frequencies created by your brain can be called back to by the AI model to decode your thoughts. Early public plans for this technology are involved around workplace and school productivity, as well as driver safety. The goal is to monitor your thoughts to keep you focused on the task at hand while keeping your work productivity high and notifying your supervisor or instructor if you lose focus and get off task. Also, keeping you focused on the road while driving and notifying the police if you use your phone or take the attention off the road. Essentially, a verified thought police monitoring your thoughts, akin to George Orwell's 1984 or the Tom Cruise movie Minority Report. A small form of mind control, but mind control nonetheless. Where does this technology stop? Is it even the government's place to monitor your thoughts? If you don't have privacy in your own head, where do you have it? The answer is you don't. If it becomes illegal to think about things, all freedom is lost. This freedom supersedes freedom of speech. Our freedom of thought is being infringed upon little by little, first by companies and schools, then by the police and government. As new as this technology might seem to be, a general rule of thumb is any current tech in the public has been in private use for at least 20 years, and what we see is currently 2 or 3 gens behind the latest tech in the R&D labs, and even 4 or 5 gens behind the theoretical experiments. It's ignorant to think that there aren't more advanced versions of this technology already in use, perhaps running side by side with the local cell phone towers with your phones, or running off some thousands of satellites orbiting around our planet. Many people claim to have worked on this very technology and claim to be victims of its illegal usage. These people are called targeted individuals and are currently involved in a class action lawsuit against the United States government and certain military-industrial complex companies. Obviously, the next step beyond reading your mind is fully manipulating it and controlling it with devices such as direct energy weapons and tactics such as hypergame theory, which you can learn about more in my other videos.